The BT House, a 450 square meter residence nestled in a quiet corner lot of Adrogué, Buenos Aires, is a striking example of architectural ingenuity. Designed by Estudio Jorgelina Tortorici Arq, the house's distinctive L shape embraces a central garden, creating a harmonious interplay between interior and exterior spaces. The entrance to the house is a captivating experience, framed by two lush tropical courtyards. These green spaces serve as both visual and functional elements, bringing natural light and ventilation into the interior while softening the transition between the public and private realms. The living and sleeping areas are strategically positioned on either side of this central hall, creating a clear division between the two. One side of the house, facing the main street, presents a nearly impenetrable facade of rough concrete, shielding the inhabitants from the bustle of the neighborhood. In contrast, the facade overlooking the quieter cul-de-sac is more open and inviting, featuring transparent elements that blur the lines between inside and out. This deliberate contrast in facade design reflects the architect's desire to create a private sanctuary while maintaining a connection with the surrounding environment. The sleeping area, situated on the ground floor, is enclosed by a metal skin of micro-perforated sheet metal shutters. This innovative solution provides both privacy and sun protection while adding a layer of visual interest to the facade. The living quarters, elevated half a level, offer expansive views of the garden and pool. This elevated position allows for a seamless flow between the interior and exterior spaces, blurring the boundaries between the two. The house's design is characterized by the use of noble materials, such as concrete, metal, and glass. These materials, with their unique textures and colors, create a neutral palette that complements the custom-designed furnishings. The independent reinforced concrete structure, combined with metal columns, allows for large overhangs that shade the living and dining areas, further enhancing the indoor-outdoor connection. In conclusion, the BT House is a testament to the power of thoughtful design to create spaces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. By carefully considering the site's orientation, the architects have crafted a residence that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings while providing a comfortable and inspiring living environment. In this video, we've taken a tour of the stunning BT House, designed by Estudio Jorgelina Tortorici Arq. Located in Adrogué, Argentina, the house is a masterpiece of modern architecture, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor spaces to create a harmonious living environment. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on architecture and design. Thank you for watching.